Hey guys, today we're going to be doing part 12 of Animal Hospital.
I have 93% sanity.
Buy a gun, there's a gun.
You need Robux.
Oh.
Unless you buy it from the thing. I want to check it as a patient. There's a cursed photo. Look at the photo. Look at the photo.
Oh, yeah. Shutters?
Yep.
What?
Shutters. Oh. Oh no, the headbanger's in the way.
How do you get rid of him? How do you stop him?
You need coffee.
Oh.
And if you don't give him coffee and you just ask him to leave, he'll jump scare you.
But can I just sit there then and wait?
He might break the glass.
Okay, so yeah, we gotta...
You could ask him to leave.
And just deal with the jump scare?
Yeah.
He broke the glass. And he left. Yeah, the Hank Baker kind of broke the glass.
Now it takes us barely any longer to take the shutters down, but yeah. Hey, remember, I will check them in. You work on them.
Is he?
Because I'm pretty tired right now. I'll start doing.
Yeah, I woke up and here it took like 20 minutes.
I'll start mainly doing stuff on shift 5 because that is when the ambulance comes. Well, it comes at shift 4, but it counts.
Should I get inside? There's weird stuff on the ground.
That's slime. Just use E to clean it up.
Is shift 3 easy?
Shift 3? Yeah. 4 is the hardest to me because that is when the ambulance comes.
Wait, no, I mean it's room 4.
Every patient is on a time limit.
So, it's limited. What do you? Flu cough syrup.
Someone's going into room 4.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I'll deal with this patient while you work on the anomaly stuff, and then we'll switch.
Okay.
Ouch. Headache and fever. Medicine and thermal.
You have to treat 2 patients.
Dude. Why didn't you treat them? I said after this patient, I'm doing anomaly stuff.
Oh.
And sending patients to the room.
Yeah, but when we're on a shift 4, both of us do. Okay? On shift 4, both of us do it. Okay?
Why?
Dude, that is when the ambulance comes and you have a time limit for everyone.
And then what will happen?
I don't know. Hairs.
They should be called hair. Hair bees. Hair bees.
The doctor is arriving.
Does he arrive every day?
Yep. Hello.
Hello, does he push you?
Nope.
He phases right through you.
Yep.
Avoiding the new facilities for you.
Yeah, I know. I like the supply shop. The best I've ever been in there.
Yeah, Nusa, please. Nusa, please.
Ha, I got it.
You got the taser.
Yes.
I have more than enough money for the taser.
I have $7 now.
I would have $57 now.
I used to have it. No, you would have had $7 too.
Alright, it's 100. Wait, you both had $157.
Yep.
Guess how?
And
Bought.
I did the boost.
Is the?
You
You can have the coffee. I got mint tea.
Dude, are you gonna go check that? Go help that guy?
Dude, I was sending you out to go help them, and I deal with anomalies and sending them to the room.
What do you mean?
I said I would stay in this room.
Yeah, but I have the taser.
Okay, fine. What rooms is everybody in?
Oh, that guy's going into room 6. Let me treat him because Stalker just jump scared me.
I'm scarred.
The Stalker jump scared me.
Should I always look down?
When it says don't look up.
Maple syrup. Can you help me deal with every one of these? Run! Run! I'm running!
Lead him to room 7.
To room 7? He disappeared. He's in that main room. He disappeared.
What did he look like?
He looked like a flat blue guy blending into the walls, and then started chasing me and turning black, and then he disappeared.
Oh yeah, that guy, you can't look at him too long.
But when he disappears, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
That means you're less than okay. Just kidding. No.
I'll be in room 4. Let's go treat him. Bruh. You only got Cheetos? Got Velveeta. I got trail mix. I got a customer.
Dude, here's one from accounting.
In room
Ever
4.
wonder why they keep hiring new people?
Why?
Never mind.
I'm sure AJ would be scared. I'm sure. Yeah. I'm sure.
Did you want to play the new update on 99 Nights?
No.
Why?
Not until we die.
Yeah, but it is Dino Kid. Dino Kid has his own update.
Red Kit and Eye Drops.
Both of our favorite kid. So you're not celebrating our favorite kids.
My favorite kid.
And the
It's
theories
Squid
of all their mother and dad being a monster. Wrong, wrong, wrong. It shows a dino dad.
What?
Yeah, there's a dino dad in this update. YouTubers rethink all that.
No access. Is there a time I see an anomaly? Does this look like an anomaly? But-
No,
but
totally doesn't.
Yeah, totally. Close the door.
I want to die. I want to die, dude. I want to
Well-
die.
Why?
Hey, here's Barney. Barney.
When my sanity gets down to 50, do I drink the green tea?
Sure.
Okay.
Friend? He's gonna ask for the. Oh. I thought it was gonna be the scalpel.
Don't open.
Yeah, and soon Rathu will tell us that don't trust people with suitcases. So yeah.
Hey, you need to put Dusty's collar on.
Oh, yeah.
It's downstairs, right? Go and get it, okay? The guest. Go.
Okay, hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and there's a dog with me. Oreo, look.
Gamer Dog 3000.
It's sitting on my arm. I have to lean in just to play.
Oh, Gamer Dog 3000? No, he actually looked at me. Oh, you're a good puppy.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
I didn't know that he'd actually listen to Gamer Dog 3000.
Gamer Dog 3000. Sit. Sorry.
He's just like, huh?
Wow.
Oh. Okay.
Look at the room I'm looking at. Room 8.
Yeah, that's a surgery room.
There's a knife.
No, there's a scalpel.
Is there multiple scalpels?
Yeah, I'm just kidding. No, there's one.
No. Should I get bandages right now?
What?
I'm just gonna grab bandages right now.
What? And there's also hearts in there and transplants.
No. Transplants? Like lung transplant or like blood transplant or like
Just transplants. It just shows one thing that is called transplant.
Alright, go outside real quick.
Dude, let's make some breakfast.
Dude. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna continue recording.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make us breakfast.
I'm gonna pause recording. Okay, yes, we're back.
No! My computer turned off to work. No!
Okay,
My
well,
computer turned off.
anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.